If you're tired of coaching clients one-on-one all day long and repeating yourself over and over and over again, then the online course business model might be for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to build a six-figure coaching business that is based on online courses. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Stephanie Obi, and I help female coaches to grow from 5 figures to 6 figures by launching premium online courses. This is basically what I talk about in this channel. So if you'd like to get more tips from me, make sure you subscribe now before you forget. All right, so let's go. In the first few years of my coaching business, I remember that I had a few one-on-one clients, and I enjoyed working with them. Like, I love my clients, but I remember feeling frustrated. I was just frustrated at how much time it was taking, how limited I was, how I felt as if there's so much I could do, there's so many people I could impact, and yet I was spending all my time working with these few clients all the time. So I immediately knew that it was not a business model for me. I just couldn't find joy with that model. And this is why I spent a lot of time mastering how to succeed with online courses. And I eventually grew a six-figure online course business. In my experience, I found these 3 things I'm about to share with you to be very pivotal to helping you to build a six-figure online course business. Are you ready? Number 1, focus on just one signature online course. Now, I know that you're a very passionate person. You want to help a lot of people. You want to solve this problem, that problem, this and that. But when it comes to scaling, when it comes to growing to 6 figures, when it comes to growing to 7 figures, then you have to do less. It's counterintuitive, but here's why it's so important for you to do less. When you do less, it frees up your time to focus on the things that would help that thing that you're doing to actually scale. Okay? So when you see many course creators who have earned 6 figures, 7 figures, check. They're earning that figure from just one course. And the reason they're able to do that is that instead of spreading their energy, working on several different projects, they're focusing on that course, they're digging deep, and they're doing the work to make that course scale. Okay? So to grow, you have to do less. Number 2, know your numbers. So you should know how much you want to earn in a month. You should know how many people you need to sell to earn your sales target for the month. You should know how much traffic you need to drive to your sales funnel every month. You should know how well your sales funnel is converting. When you have those numbers, it's very easy to predict how much you can earn in a month. Right? It's also easy for you to intentionally take the steps that will help you to hit your sales target, because all you have to do is just to work backwards. When you know the numbers, you know what you need to do, then you can now start taking the steps in order to get there. When you're clear about your numbers and you're even able to predict how much you can earn in a particular month, you will find that the power to earn $10,000 lies in your hands. The power to earn $50,000 per month lies in your hands. The power to earn $100,000 a month from your course lies in your hands. Number 3, keep selling your course all year round. Don't look at other people's businesses. Look at yours. Focus on yours. When I was starting my business, the mistake I made was that I looked at all these other big course creators who were earning 6 figures or 7 figures from their online courses, and I saw that they only launched once or twice a year. And I now found myself doing that because I thought that that was the only way to sell online courses. What I did not realize is that those big course creators had hundreds and thousands of people in their email list. And so they could afford to just launch once a year or twice a year and still earn 7 figures. How many people did I have in my email list? I was still a new coach. All right. And so now, if I could take back the hands of time, what I would tell my younger self is to keep selling. Sell every month. Sell consistently. Run a real business. Real businesses make money every day. Your online course should be making money every day. Set up the systems to help you to make money every day. And in no time, in less than a year, you will get to 6 figures from your online course. If you would like to watch more videos on how to sell your online course, check out these 2 videos. If, on the other hand, you want a detailed framework on how I actually grew my online course to 6 figures, I have a free masterclass that you can watch. In the description section, you will see a link to sign up for this masterclass. Click on it, Visit the page, pick a time that works for you, check your emails, and you will see the link to the masterclass. I look forward to helping you become a six-figure course creator because you deserve it.